Hi, my name is Sharjil Akhtar and I am from Pakistan. First of all, I am thankful to Mr. Saad Ali for giving us a life-changing opportunity. Actually, I am trading since 2018, not for making money, but losing the money. Why I am saying this? Because I was following the signals on telegrams. It's not a free signals, but paid signals. And finally, I found a right platform, Forex Beginners Academy by Mr. Saad Ali, and I have learned so many things for be a professional trader. And I learned so many things like Fibonacci retracement, trending lines, chart analyzing, how to analyze the chart in a higher frame, in a higher time frame and lower time frame, and all these things. And whatever I learned, I was uploading in a private student group, and all of my other colleagues and also my teacher Mr. Saad Ali, he was giving the feedback if what I analyzed it's wrong or right. If wrong, he was just marking up that where I am are wrong and what I have to do for prove my skills. And thanks again, and thank you very much. God bless you, all of you guys, and God bless you, Mr. Saad Ali.